Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the Guru Enterprise app to the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our direct messages and teammates. From here we have to tap on one of the channels that we want to edit. And then we just tap on Connect Apps. And here, after it has loaded, we just scroll down, and under the Enterprise Ready Apps section, we find Guru Enterprise AI Search. We just tap on that. Then it's going to load again. And here we find the Add to Slack button. And if we tap this, it's going to add it to our Slack channel. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.